solve by graphing, we're going to begin by creating two separate equations. The first equation that we're going to create is y equals the left side. So that's going to be y equals 0. And then the other equation will be y equals the right side, so y equals 2x plus 2. We're going to graph both of these lines, and the answer to the original equation will be the x-coordinate of the point of intersection. Now this video is not about graphing a line, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time on graphing y equals 0, but it suffices to say if you want to graph y equals 0, that is a line that is slicing through the y-axis at 0. So here's my graph of y equals 0. If I want to graph y equals 2x plus 2, I could begin at 2 on the y-axis, and then slope is 2, rise 2, run 1, and draw that line. These two lines intersect at the point -1, 0, and so the answer to the equation 0 equals 2x plus 2 is the x-coordinate, and that is -1. Okay, so one more time, I want to solve 4 minus 3x equals -5. So I want to create an equation using the left side, and I want to create an equation using the right side. So using the left side, I have y equals 4 minus 3x. Using the right side, I have y equals -5. I need to graph both of these equations, and the x-coordinate of the point of intersection will be our solution. When I go to graph y equals -5, that's a horizontal line that slices through the y-axis at -5. When I go to graph y equals 4 minus 3x, I think I would just pick a number, plug it in, get an answer, and plot a point. So if I let x be 0, I'm going to end up with 4 minus 3 times 0, which is 0. So plugging in 0, I get out 4. So going right or left, 0 up 4, plot a point. Maybe plug in 1. -3 times 1 is -3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So I plot the point 1, 1 and draw my line. Once I've drawn both of the lines, the point of intersection where these two cross is going to be located at 3, -5. And the solution to the original equation is the x-coordinate of this point of intersection. And so that is x equals 3. Fun fact, anytime you have any equation, it doesn't matter how ugly the equation is, this is a great technique, especially if you're using a graphing calculator, like maybe Desmos, and you just type in y equals the left side and y equals the right side and let the graphing calculator do the work. Go to the point of intersection or points of intersection, and the x-coordinates of those points of intersection are the solutions to your equation.